What's up, everybody? Jason here with Jaspys. We just sold out 2024 Leaf Ultimate Sports one box break, random number block number 3, guys. And again, each box contains 3 premium hits. Look for some big names like Messi, etc. And again, guys, of course, RNB. Everybody gets a random number from 0 through 9. If the match is your show number, it goes to you. Remember, any and all redemptions go to spot 0. And if there's any non-numbered cards, it gets randomized back to the group in one lot if there's multiple. Here's the dice roll. Here's the customer names. Let's click dice roll, and it'll be a 4 and a 6, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, 10 times. 4, 6, 10. Joe, down to Joe. Boom, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times, 10, 10. 5 down to 6. Whoa. Alright. So, Joe, you have spot 5, Tristan with 7, Joe with 4, Tristan with 1, Joe with 3, Tristan with 8, Todd with 9, Tristan with 0, Joe with 2 and 6. Alright, let me just quickly alphabetize it or sort it out there, and then gotta title the sheet really quick. And of course, no trading, so stick to what you got. I also have 8 boxes left. I have 3 on the left and then 5 on the right. So we'll just generate a number again. 3. So it'll be the bottom box on the left. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. First one we have is a Steve Young. It's a 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4 Steve Young. 3 is Joe Lawson. And then 4 out of 25. Emmitt Smith, O.J. Simpson, and Walter Payton Trios Relic. Spot 4 is another one for Joe. All right, last one here, folks. Two out of 5. It's Paul Skeens. Wow. Joe Lawson is on a heater tonight. Spot 2 as well. Jesus. Paul Skeens. There you go. Joe, you swept it. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. There you go, guys. Again, number 4 is in the store if you guys want to run it back. JaspysCaseBreaks.com, guys. Thank you.